Hi, my name is Roxane Webster. I'm with my home team at Keller Williams Advantage. And I am not only a real estate agent, I'm your real estate planner. I am passionate about the idea of viewing real estate as a part of a larger plan to get you where you want to be. And right now, I'm talking about post-retirement. What happens when it's time for you to move? Because perhaps your house has become too much to handle anymore. And there's so many different options. What is that going to look like? Are you going to move to some type of independent care, independent living, move in with kids, get into a smaller house, get into a retirement community? There are a lot of different options out there. And one thing I know from working in this space for a long time is that the people who actually sit down, talk to a few experts about it, think about it, decide and visualize what they want their life to look like in that stage of life, they're happier. It's easier to get done. They know, oh, do I have enough money? I need to save this. I need to do that. The planning ahead, it gives such peace of mind. It gives peace of mind to you, and it gives peace of mind to your loved ones. So I'd love to have a conversation with you about this. Look forward to speaking.